This is a video of the remote control only to show the problem with the left joystick. I've started it in mode 2, as you can see. I don't get any response. You can see the helicopter blades do not indicate turning. However, if I go to the other option, the left-right control, it works. And here as well. So channel 2 is fine, channel 1 is fine, channel 4 is fine, channel 3 does not even register. If, however, I change the remote control into mode 1 operation, so I have gone into mode 1 operation where my throttle is now on the right, channel 3 shows perfectly. You can see the rotors simulating that they are turning, and this translates into the same thing on the helicopter where the main rotors will start running. So clearly you can see when the right joystick is used, it is fine. You've also got your channel 1 that shows a response, but if you go over to the other side, you've got channel 4 that shows a response, but no action from the up down. So it clearly looks like the joystick is not working in the up down motion for the left unit. Hope this explains the problem to you. Thank you.